Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Hira Noreen, your computer science teacher, and today I am here with the second lecture of week 3 from the chapter 1 Fundamental of Computer. So before we start our lecture, we must recap the previous lesson in which we discussed the role of computer and uses of computer in education. In a role of computer, we discussed that computer play an important role in our lives and it change the human life in many way and is the way of living, and it is the best invention of modern technology. The next is the uses of computer in education. In education, computer perform an important role and it's improve the process of learning, and many programs are online available for better understanding of the different topics and different subjects like maths, physics, computer, bio, etc. And multimedia software also make the way of learning more attractive and effective. And computer is used in every level of education from university to school level to improve the education system. So let's start our today's lecture in which we discuss the remaining uses of computer. So first we discuss the use of computer in business. Computer are used in all the type of business to improve the productivity of business, and it's running the business activities more efficiently and effectively. Computers are used to prepare the business documents, reports, chart, presentation, and invoices, etc. It is also help in staying in contact with the employees and customer when the employees and customer are out of or in companies or organization. You can easily contact with your employees and customer, and if they are at home and you want to perform any task from them, you can easily ask and they perform at home and send you through a email. And this is the benefit by using computer technology to improve the business effectively and efficiently. Then the computer are used to prepare the documents, reports, and charts, etc. The following are some common business areas where computers are used. Computers are used in banks to online for online transactions, and customers are log into your accounts and see the details of their account balance and their deposit and cash, etc. They are also used people can also use to obtain the cash at any time anywhere through the ATM cards, and computer networks allow the amount of bill to be transferred from customer bank's account to the stores. And computer is used in business retail store field, in which the barcode readers are linked to the computer system that are used to read the barcode printed on each product sold to prepare the bill. Like when the computer barcode reader read the product barcode, then it store the detail of the products like its price, its quality and quantity, etc., and then display the results and make a bill. Computer is also used in e-commerce. In e-commerce mean electronic commerce that allow to sell the products and services by means of computer networks such as internet. Through internet you can buy goods and sell goods and services and add yours and give the ad of your good and services to sell them. Again, computer is also used in the various fields of business like hotel, hospitals, schools, travel agencies, real estate, etc. Defense. In the use of computer in defense, computer used in various application of defense. If their computers are used in tanks, planes and ships to target the enemy forces. By the help of computer you can use the computer to target the enemy forces and help in tracking the missiles and destroying them. When you use a computer, you can also track the missiles of enemy forces and destroy them. It is help in it is help in designing the weapons and other equipment of the military forces are also controlled by the computer. Like when the enemy forces attack, you can you can use the computer to start our weapons and etc. And the computer are used for designing and testing the weapons. Nowadays weapons are also designed with the help of computer. CAD means computer aided design is used to design the products or weapons etc. with the help of computer and then manufacture them. It is also used for communication in defense. The forces communicate with each other with the help of computer. So in this lecture we discuss the uses of computer in business and defense. Hope you understand it. And here is your assignment. Your assignments of this lecture is learn the use of computer in business and defense. Thank you, and if you have any question you can ask from me.